Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of July, 2025, our system has classified UnitedHealth Group as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 6.62. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of negative 7.46%. This amounts to an average daily loss of negative 3.73% since it was identified as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential negative change of approximately 21.45% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 37.69% to negative 9.56%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected decline of around 39.56%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 51.79% to positive 16.44% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $125.87 and $304. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, "A very red day for UnitedHealth Group stock price after a decline of 7.46% in the Tuesday trading session." The UnitedHealth Group stock price fell by 7.46% on the last day, Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, from $282.12 to $261.07. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.73% with a day low of $260.55 and a day high of $272.87. The price has shown volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 10.5% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day by 25 million shares, albeit amid falling prices. This could signal an early warning, suggesting that the risk may rise slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 39 million shares were exchanged for approximately $10.25 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $630.73, while the lowest was $248.88. Currently, the price stands 58.61%, or $369.66, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group has recently encountered considerable challenges, as highlighted by its second quarter 2025 earnings report, which indicated a significant decline in earnings alongside rising medical costs. The company reported adjusted earnings per share of $4.08, which fell short of analyst expectations of $4.48. Although there was a revenue increase, the overall outlook is overshadowed by deteriorating margins and management's cautious guidance for the remainder of the fiscal year. Consequently, shares dropped by over 5%, reflecting investor concerns regarding sustained profitability. Nevertheless, not all analysts are pessimistic. Some contend that the current valuation may not accurately represent the company's long-term potential. They highlight management's commitment to transparency, share repurchases, and a growing dividend as signs of resilience. The belief is that premium repricing and cost controls could stabilize earnings in the future, even as the company faces challenges in its Medicare Advantage and value-based care segments. In the short term, the continued decline in stock price appears inevitable given the recent earnings miss and cautious guidance. However, if long-term growth factors, such as management strategies and favorable market conditions, materialize positively, it could lead to a turnaround, ultimately benefiting stock performance over time. Investors should closely monitor these developments to evaluate the potential for recovery in UnitedHealth Group stock. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 17th of July 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned UNH a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, Barclays also rated UNH as overweight while maintaining a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June 2025, UBS reiterated a buy rating for UNH with a hold action. On Friday, the 6th of June 2025, Barclays provided UNH with an overweight rating and a hold action. On the same day, Wells Fargo also rated UNH as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of UnitedHealth Group indicates sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal exists due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $280 and $299.60. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 1, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by nearly 20%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence indicator. Yesterday, the volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence-divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 13 days ago. Reviewing the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 71 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 66 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with adequate trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $12.32 between its high and low, which represents a 4.73% change. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.09%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or indicate that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $4.48. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $274.35. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 1st of July 2025, Hemsley Stephen J. conducted an insider purchase of 198 shares of common stock. On the 1st of July 2025, Flynn Timothy Patrick conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. On the 1st of July 2025, Hooper Michelle J. conducted an insider purchase of 173 shares of common stock. On the 1st of July 2025, McNabb Frederick William III conducted an insider purchase of 294 shares of common stock. On the 1st of July 2025, Noseworthy John H. conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 93.871. Overall, insiders purchased 873,925 shares and sold 11,097 shares in the last 100 trades. Our analysis indicates a negative evaluation for this stock, and currently, no stop loss has been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group exhibits several negative signals and is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of July, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open higher by $3.76, starting the day at $264.83. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.